Hey Guru Nation, what you're about to watch is just some quick videos. I'm just documenting my journey, being in a new town. Yuma, Arizona is the name of the city that I'm in. Starting my clinic. I've been featuring a lot of these kind of videos on my channel, basically starting from the ground up. I have a doctor who's a PI, general medicine. We're getting studies. We haven't started any study, but we got a study where we need two specialists. We need a dermatologist and we need an ophthalmologist. And in this video, I'm going to be going in to meet with different specialists and the derm and ophthalmologist. I don't get them on video. It's just my reaction to what they tell me. They're business people. And basically educating them on research and educating them on different things to discuss when it comes to clinical research and what I need from them if they as a sub-I, or what's the difference between a sub-I and a PI, all this kind of stuff. So just check it out really quick, just to document. I'm actually have meetings set up with these doctors. Tomorrow I'm meeting with two, possibly three of them. And one of them is really interested actually in being a PI. Actually, two of them are. So I'll be doing more videos tomorrow. Maybe if I ask them, one of them will want to do a video. But let's not push it. I need to not be weird when they see me. Like, I don't want them to think, oh, the YouTube. They don't know anything about the YouTube channel. So shh, don't tell them, all right? But make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. Catch you later. What up, Guru Nation? So I'm here. I got two studies actually that we basically have the study for my new PI here in Yuma, Arizona. This study requires, so my PI is a general medicine doctor. You've seen, if you've been following, you've seen. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share as well if you want more of this. He's a general med doctor, and out here, it's hard to find specialists. And as you know, a lot of these studies require specialist sub-Is. This particular study is difficult. I need a sub-I derm and a sub-I ophthalmologist, and my PI has been very helpful. I mean, these are his colleagues. He's been texting them, calling them. He actually dropped off these flyers at their office. We haven't heard anything back from these guys, so I'm here dropping off the same flyers, and it's probably going to involve a little bit of an educational process on research, what it means to be a sub-I. I wish I could bring the camera in with me, but I can't. These guys don't know me, and I'm trying to get them to do the studies. But maybe later, when they're actually doing the studies, I get them on. But I'm going to let you know how it goes. So let's go to the first dermatologist right now. All right, so just got out of the one dermatologist office. Of course, he was not there. I think that's the problem, is like they're so busy, the actual provider's not there that often. But I did meet with the office manager, sat down for about 5 minutes, explained exactly what we need. We're cash paying. They're a little confused by that because they're not used to research here, so they're not used to these kind of things. They did tell me they would have an answer by the end of the week, so that's good. I did ask for a CV and a license of the doctor to at least show my sponsor that I have a sub-I on paper. They said they couldn't get that for me because they have to go to corporate office or something like that. So whatever, we wait till Friday. I'm going to go to another dermatologist right now and see what happens there, and I'll let you know. All right, so the second meeting with the second dermatologist office went really well, actually. The dermatologist was not here, but the staff seemed very interested in cash payments for patient visits. And they said the doctor, would be interested in to swing by tomorrow around noon to try to catch him, and that they're going to let me know. So I'm going to come back to see him tomorrow at noon. We'll update you on that, of course. Now time to go see the ophthalmologist that I need. I need an ophthalmologist. All right, Guru Nation, just met with one of the ophthalmologist staff. I set up an actual appointment so I could get a face-to-face in front of him for 5 minutes tomorrow. It's probably going to turn into longer. The problem in these small towns is, like, these independent doctors, they get bought out by larger groups. So that's exactly what happened here. The doctor's staff told me that he got the flyer from my PI regarding the ophthalmology assessments, and he's got to get approval, unfortunately, from a corporate office to see if they can do it. So he hasn't gotten the approval yet, but regardless, I'm going to meet with him tomorrow because there are opportunities, not just for this study, as a sub-investigator, but there are opportunities to do PI studies with him for ophthalmology. Ophthalmology is a hot field, always has been. So I'm coming back tomorrow. I'll give you updates, and now there's one more ophthalmologist. Let's hope they're not bought out by a large group. Talk to you soon. So Guru Nation just met with the second ophthalmologist. He is independent, so not owned by a big group, not under anybody else's authority for approval. I actually did not meet with him. I met with his business manager. I'll be meeting with him tomorrow, it looks like, so I'm supposed to go back and email her a bunch of information about the study, more detailed than what I brought on the flyer. I'm trying to keep it simple on purpose for the flyer, but honestly, it's not that much for this study for the assessments that we need him for. But even more interesting than all this is he's very interested, according to her, in being a PI for studies. So she wants me to send him some info on my company, and there's potentially another deal to be made here in ophthalmology with a PI. And I know one of my former CRA Academy students is a monitor for ophthalmology studies, so I'm going to try to put those two things together and create another business out of it, or maybe add to the existing business that we have. And so we'll definitely update you tomorrow. Follow my journey so that tomorrow you can see more of what happened with these actual meetings. Tomorrow I've got a meeting with a dermatologist and most likely both ophthalmologists. So I'll update you guys tomorrow. Take care, Guru Nation. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you later.